I'm going to write a poem. I find a pot of ink. I find a pen. I find a pad. I scratch my head and think. I try to write a poem about my mom and dad. But then the cat jumps on the desk and sits upon my pad. I try to write a poem about the sea and sand. But then the cat jumps up and knocks the pen out of my hand. I try to write a poem about a bright red rose. But then the cat jumps up again and licks me on the nose. I know I'll write a poem about a humpback whale. This time the cat jumps up and knocks the ink off with his tail. That silly cat keeps bugging me. I pick him up and say, "If you won't let me write my poem, then I won't let you stay." The cat sits on the windowsill. He looks so cold and sad. I try to write my poem, but I can't help feeling bad. I suck my pen, I scratch my head, I think of this and that. Then suddenly I've got it. I'll write about my cat.